Hey, 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 listen up, you beautiful mommies. Yeah, I'm talking to you, the ones who can somehow balance 3 grocery bags, a toddler, and still manage to check Instagram. It's time for a reality check about self-care. And spoiler alert, you're doing it wrong if you feel guilty about it. First off, newsflash. You are not a martyr. Nobody's handing out medals for who can sacrifice the most. So quit trying to win the most exhausted parent award. It's not cute, and trust me, your kids don't want a zombie for a parent. Self-care isn't some fancy buzzword made up by the yoga moms. It's your lifeline, your sanity saver. You know how they say put your own oxygen mask on first? Yeah, it's like that, but with bubble baths and binge-watching your favorite shows without anyone whining in the background. And don't even start with that guilt nonsense. Feeling guilty for taking a break? Please. Do you think Beyoncé feels guilty for getting her nails done? No, and neither should you. You deserve to sit down, have a cup of coffee, or heck, just stare at a wall in peace for 5 minutes. So, here's the deal. Take care of yourself, unapologetically. Yes, leave the kids with your partner or a sitter and go do something just for you. I don't care if it's a nap, a spa day, or getting your henna done. Remember, a happy, rested parent is a good parent. So, get out there and pamper yourself guilt-free, or else I'll find you and force you to relax. Yeah, I said it. Now go, be fabulous, and take that break.